Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the data ready. Select the numeric column and make sure text values are numbers because formulas need numeric types. Once done, insert two helper columns for the summary stats. Use equals average, range, and equals a stdev. Range to get central tendency and spread because z-scores tell you how far a point lies from the mean. Make a clear choice, z-score for symmetric data, IQR for skewed data, so you don't apply the wrong test to the wrong distribution. You'll now compute the detection values. In the z-score column, enter equals $A$2B$1 / $B$2, where $B$1 is mean and $B$2 is a stdev, and copy down. Make sure to use absolute value and commonly flag greater than 3 as potential outliers. Alternatively, compute Q1 and Q3 with quartile. Get ICR, then calculate lower equals Q11. 5 IQR and upper equals Q3 plus 1. 5 ICR. Use conditional formatting to color cells beyond those bounds so you visually inspect them fast. You finish by isolating flagged rows. Apply a filter on the helper flag column and copy suspects to a new sheet so you can review without altering originals. Then decide whether to remove, correct, or keep each outlier, and record your rationale because reproducibility matters. If things go wrong, check for numbers stored as text, stray spaces, or formulas returning empty strings. Use value, trim, or text to columns to fix types, then recompute the metrics to validate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.